All right, this is the carrier APU service manual, operation and service manual for PC600, PC600 and 6002, 6003, and 6006. This is the full manual. It's going to be 54 pages long, and it goes over operation uh, of the APU, troubleshooting, and it also has APU wiring diagrams. Okay. You can also get access to this manual. This is the auxiliary power unit diagnostic manual supplement, and this one is 34 pages. And this goes over preventive maintenance, diagnostics, general procedures, more diagnostics, and then this also has wiring diagram. Okay. And a third document you're going to get is the diagnostic tree, is what I like to call it. And this document is 12 pages long. Okay, so click the link below to get access to all three documents.